Good morning, everyone. Today is day 6 and we are in beautiful Cozumel. I really do love this port because there is so much to do. Today we are going to XPLOR Park. So in order to get to XPLOR Park, because we are in Cozumel and Cozumel is an island, we have to catch a tender, and a tender is a boat. So we are going to get on a tender that's provided by Royal Caribbean. The tender will take us to the mainland. There we will board a bus, and then the bus will take us to the XPLOR Park. We should have about 4 hours in the park, so that will be nice. And I cannot wait to show you the park. I will see you there. Bye. Alright, so we are just hanging out in Studio B. We're waiting for the ferry or tender to arrive, and then we're going to board that. That's the ferry. And now we have to find our bus. I think we're walking to wherever the bus is. Oh, maybe this is where they are. God, that was a long walk. Yeah, especially in this humidity. We're getting on the bus. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, welcome to Mexico. Thank you for your visit.
And now we are getting our locker. They gave us a key with like a wristband attached so we can put everything in our lockers, and I think we are headed to the Ziplines. So I've already gotten all my gear on, but I have to go back to the locker because they are not allowing the GoPro sticks. We are headed to the Zipline and I have to carry my GoPro in my hand.
Sorry, this is making me feel like I took a dump.
I've never had to carry my GoPro in my hand. Quite a lot of walking. So we did the first zip line. I did not like it. It's just super, super rough. It hurts. These things dig into you. If you're gonna go zip lining, do it in like a real zip line. I had to cross that bridge. And apparently I have to go all the way up there. I hope you can see that. Can you see this? Okay. So basically this is what you have to walk up. Like round and round. Here, maybe I can get a better perspective. Look at that. Okay, when I get to the water, turn around and paddle back. But won't I be attacked?
No, let go. Let go the strap and paddle backwards.
And paddle backwards? Okay.
Go ahead.
That was fun. That was the best one. Very, very last one. You go through the water, and that's the best one. It's almost worth all the rest of it. I'm soaking wet.
so fast.
Are we going too fast? Or are we
Please
getting...
slow, okay?
Okay.
Drive slow. It's not a race for your own safety and for the safety of the other.
We just got in trouble by the park police for going too fast.
Yeah, probably going all of like 30 miles an hour, and I was going too fast.
We're not even going that fast. This is a little bumpy. We got
The fun police.
The fun police. He said, "Why are you going so fast?"
I was completely in control of the vehicle.
Because he gave us keys to a Jeep. That's why we're going so fast. He said if we break it, we buy it. License revoked.
I wasn't even going that fast.
Don't fall off the
I
edge.
was having fun and in control of the vehicle.
Oh no. Oh. I can't see anything. Out of the water. Oh, what? Woo! Oh. I thought the water was going to be deeper.
I thought it was too.
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light from another universe.
What have we gotten ourselves into? If a bat jumps out at me, I swear to God, I swear I'm jumping out of this car and I'm running for my life. So scary!
Not very easy to navigate either. This is why he wanted me to slow down.
All right, we're coming out of it, yay! I mean, it's over just in time. So if you come to XPLOR Park, all of this yummy food is included in the price. Drinks, pizza, dessert, ice cream, french fries, spaghetti, meat, seafood, burgers, nachos, hot dogs, salad, all included.
Stardust and kryptonite. Don't be afraid. You're alright. Alright. You're in a haze. Just for the night.
We're waiting for the ferry. Oh, there's so many people. There's all of us in one ferry.
Just for the night. For the night. Just for the night. For the night. Take me home.
There's two. I was worried. I thought we were going to have to sit on each other's lap or something. Ow. We're back on the ferry. It's a pretty big ferry. It's super huge. We're supposed to be back at 6:30 and it's currently 6:40. Good thing we are on an excursion provided by the ship. I can't tell if he's on the boat or off the boat.
Oh, he's on it.
Oh. I didn't know there was an outside to it. So
There's just like a little ledge here.
Oh. You can come in. The weather's good inside. Hi, can you see me? Can you see my scared face?
To Orion, Orion. Where all the stars are shining bright like diamonds, like diamonds.